Hello kids, Shubhamangalam at Little Scholar High School. Myself Mrs. Nazrina taking Standard 2 Subject Science. Standard 2 Subject Science. We are in lesson number 7. We are in lesson number 7 children. Yes. Lesson number 7. What is our lesson number 7? Open your science textbook. Lesson number 7. My need air. My need air. Yes. We did not discuss this page number 49 children. Yes. Airborne diseases. Airborne diseases. Airborne diseases. What are these airborne diseases? Airborne diseases means the diseases that we get when we breathe in dirty air. Dirty air means when the air is filled with smoke, dust, germs. When we breathe that type of air, we get some diseases. Put finger page number 49C. Diseases that spread when we breathe in dirty air are called airborne diseases. The diseases that we get when we breathe in dirty air, that diseases are known as airborne diseases. Some examples of airborne diseases are as follows. Some examples are given. The names of few disease names are given that we get when we breathe in dirty air. How the air becomes dirty? When the smoke comes out from factories, when we burn things, smoke comes out. If with this smoke comes and mixes in the air, and germs, dust, all these particles mixes in the air. If we breathe that type of dirty air, then we get airborne diseases. Few names of airborne diseases are given. Listen. ASTHMA, asthma. First one is ASTHMA. Asthma means breathing problem. If we breathe dirty air, we may get breathing problem. Influenza. 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 CHICKEN, chicken. POX, chicken pox means all over your body you will get bubbles, like water bubbles all over your body. What is that disease name? Chicken pox. CHICKEN, chicken. POX, chicken pox. MEASLES, measles. MEASLES, measles. COLD, cold. AND, and. COUGH, cough. Cold and cough is common. If you take dirty air, if you breathe dirty air, you may get cold and cough also. TUBERCULOSIS, tuberculosis. TUBERCULOSIS, tuberculosis. MUMPS, mumps. These all are the diseases you will get when we breathe in dirty air. We want to get these diseases? No. So to avoid this type of diseases, what we should do? It's given here. See, prevention of airborne diseases. If you don't want to get these diseases, what you should do? What you should follow? Listen. To prevent such diseases from spreading, we should take the following steps. These diseases should not spread. These diseases will spread from one person to another. So, if we don't want to spread these diseases, if we don't want to get these diseases, what precautions we should take? What safety measures? Precautions means how we can be safe from these diseases. Cover your mouth while coughing or sneezing. What you should do? You should immediately cover your mouth before you sneeze or cough. Yes, cough is common to everyone. Yes, when you are coughing, you should immediately cover your mouth. When you sneeze also, ach, you will say no. When you sneeze also, you should close your mouth immediately. Why? Because when you are sneezing, when you are coughing, that particles will go and it may harm others. It may spread to others. Immediately cold cough will pass from one person to another. So to avoid this type of diseases, we should immediately close our mouth. Wear a mask if you go to a place where the air is dirty. You should wear a mask when you are going to the place where the air is dirty. If the air is dirty, you should Wear a mask if you go to a place where the air is dirty. What we are doing nowadays? Yes, we are covering our nose, mouth. Why? Not to get infected. No. So when you are going to moving from the dirty places, smoky place, what we should do immediately? We should put a mask. We should cover our nose and mouth. Why? Because we don't want to breathe that dirty air. So immediately we should cover our nose and mouth. If you are suffering from an airborne disease, stay home and rest. If you are suffering from any of these airborne diseases, you should take rest. You should stay at home and you should take rest so that you do not spread the disease. If you have cold cough, what you should do? You should be at home. You should be at home. And so that it won't spread to others. If you have cold cough, if you are sneezing, if you are coughing on others, what will happen? It will spread to others. So if you don't want to spread these diseases to others, we don't want others also should suffer. No. So we don't want to spread our diseases to others. So what we should do? We should if you are suffering from any airborne diseases, stay home and rest so that you do not spread the disease. If you are suffering from any of these airborne diseases, what you should do? You should stay home. You should stay home. If children are getting cold cough, what we will do? We'll ask them to stay at home. Parents also will advise, don't go to school today, stay at home. Why? Because that cold cough should not touch to others. Yes, you are suffering. If you cough, if you sneeze on others, they may also get this infection. So what we should do? We should stay at home and we should take care of ourselves and we should rest. If you rest, if you take care of yourself, what will happen? You will be good. So when you have this type of diseases, you should stay home and take care and you should take rest so that these diseases will not spread to others. So today what we have learned? We have learned about airborne diseases, means the diseases that spread, that we get because when we breathe in dirty air. So which type of air we should breathe? We should breathe clean air. From where we get clean air? Plants give us clean air. We breathe in, what is that air known as? Oxygen we breathe. So plants give us oxygen. Plants give out oxygen. So that oxygen is very important for us to breathe. So we should plant more trees so that we get lot of oxygen and clean air to breathe. See here, do you know? Page number 48, do you know? See. We cannot live on the moon because the moon does not have air. Yes, we cannot live on the moon because no air on the moon. Earth, we are living on the earth. Now we have air everywhere. We have air everywhere so that we can breathe. Yes. We are breathing. Plants and animals also taking breath. Yes, because we have air everywhere on the earth. But on the moon, no air to breathe. No air to breathe. You know that now you can think that some people are going to moon. Yes, they are going to moon. How? They will carry oxygen along with them. They will carry oxygen along with them because no air on the moon. Germs in the air makes us fall ill. Yes, germs, whatever there in the air, smoke, whatever present in the air will make us fall sick. So to avoid this, what we should do? We should close our mouth when we are passing from the smoke or dust places. Why should you cover your mouth when you sneeze? When you sneeze, why you should cover your mouth? So that sneezing should not fall on others. Yes, when you sneeze, sweat comes out of your mouth. Yes, that falls on others, and whatever you have, if you have cold cough, the other person may also get cold cough. So immediately you should cover your nose and mouth. Burning produces carbon dioxide. Too much carbon dioxide in the air makes us choke and cough. So when you burn things, what comes out? Carbon dioxide. Yes, we need oxygen for breathing. We don't want carbon dioxide. So when you burn things, carbon dioxide will come out. If you breathe that carbon dioxide, it is not good for us. We should breathe only oxygen. So completed, children, our lesson. We will go to page number 50, exercise 192. Page number 50, exercise 192. We will finish today. Is it clear? We will finish 192 exercises. When I am doing answers on the board, you should write it in your test book also. Is it clear? We will do it in your test book. I have written already 2 questions on the board, 2 bits. We'll read and we'll write the answer, and you should be able to say the answers now. Yes, you have listened to the lesson. You should be able to give answers for this. Give correct answers. FILN, fill. IN, in. THE, the. BLANKS, blanks. Fill in the blanks. MOVING, moving. MOVING, moving. AIR, IS, is. CALLED, called. Moving air is called. STEAM, steam. STEAM, steam. Or WIND, wind. Here 2 answers are given. One correct answer, one wrong answer. Which one is correct? You should write it in the dash. Moving air is called steam or wind. You all know moving air is known as wind. Very good. Wind spelling WIND. Wind. Moving air is called wind. MOVING, moving. AIR, air. IS, is. CALLED, called. WIND, wind. Moving air is called wind. Second one. AIR, air. IS, is. NEEDED, needed. NEEDED, needed. FOR, for. Air is needed for. Air is needed for. For what we need air? One correct one, one wrong one is given. WRITING, writing. We need air for writing? No. WRITING, writing? No. BURNING, burning? Yes. To burn things we need air. To burn things we need air. If the candle is burning, if you put your hand around the candle, what will happen? It will stop burning. It will stop burning because it needs air so that it will burn. If candle is burning, if you close the candle with one glass, it will stop burning because no air inside the glass. So to burn things also we need air. To burn things also we need air. So air is needed for burning. What is the spelling burning? BURNING, burning. Air is needed for burning things. Air is needed for burning, only burning. Air is needed for burning. BURNING, burning. GERMS, germs. GERMS, germs. in. THE, the. AIR, air. MAKE, make. THE, the. AIR, air. Germs in the air makes the air FIT, fit. UN, FIT, fit, unfit. Fit, unfit. FOR, for. BREATHE, BREATHING, breathing. BREATHING, breathing. Listen carefully. Germs in the air make the air fit or unfit. If germs are present in the air, that air is good for us to breathe. It is good for us to breathe. No, it is not fit. Fit means good. Unfit means not good. So, germs in the air makes the air unfit. It is not good for to take breathe. So, unfit. What is the correct answer here? UN, FIT, fit, unfit. Germs in the air makes the air unfit for breathing. Next one. PLANTS, plants. HELP, help. In. KEEPING, keeping. THE, the. AIR, air. CLEAN, clean. PY, by. PRODUCING, producing. Plants help in keeping the air clean by producing carbon dioxide or oxygen. What plants will give us? It will give us carbon dioxide and it will give us oxygen. Plants give us oxygen. Oxygen we should take in. Yes, oxygen we should breathe. So not carbon dioxide is not good for us. Yes. Oxygen is good for us to breathe. So plants help in keeping the air clean by producing. What plants will give out? Plants will give out oxygen. That is very good for us to breathe. OXYGEN, oxygen. OXYGEN, oxygen. PLANTS, plants. HELP, help. IN, KEEPING, keeping. THE, the. AIR, air. CLEAN, clean. BY, by. PRODUCING, producing. OXYGEN, oxygen. Carbon dioxide spelling CARBON, carbon. CARBON, carbon. DIOXIDE, oxide, carbon dioxide. And oxygen, OXYGEN, oxygen. Plants help in keeping the air clean by producing oxygen. Next one. Finish writing first one. Take pencil and start writing answers in your textbook. Next. Correct the sentences. CORRECT. Correct. THE, the. SENTENCES, sentences. Correct the sentences. WEV, sentences. Whatever sentence is given is wrong. You should write correctly. You should think and write correct sentence for this. WEV, CAN, can. SEEC, AIR, air. IN, BALLON, balloon. We can see the air in a balloon. You can see air around you? No. In the same way you can see air in the balloon? No, we cannot see. No, here they told that you can see air in the balloon, you can see. No, so it is wrong sentence. So what is this? It is a wrong sentence. We can see air in a balloon is right? No, we cannot see. Air is everywhere here, but you can see. Why? Because air does not have any color, no color for air. So we are not able to see air. So here they gave we can see. It is wrong. So what is the correct sentence? WEV CANNOT, cannot. CANNOT, cannot. We cannot. SEEC, AIR, air. IN, BALLON, balloon. We cannot see air in a balloon is the correct sentence. Next one. A. GENTLE, gentle. GENTLE, gentle. WIND, wind. IS, is. CALLED, called. STORM, storm. A gentle wind is called storm. Gentle means slow wind. Yes, when the wind is moving slowly, softly, that is known as gentle wind. So it is known as storm. Gentle wind is storm. Storm means when the wind moves very fast. When the wind is moving very fast, it is known as storm. But gentle wind is known as breeze. When the wind is moving slowly, when it is slowly coming and touching our faces, no? In the morning hours when you go out and stand, what will happen? Very cool air comes and touches our face. That gentle wind is known as breeze, not storm. Storm means when the wind moves very fast. So A, GENTLE, gentle. WIND, wind. IS, CALLED, called. A gentle wind is called what? A gentle wind is called breeze. A gentle wind is called BREEZE, breeze. Write it in your textbook. A gentle wind is called breeze. What is your homework? Your homework is lesson 11, lesson 7, lesson number 7, EXERCISE exercise. First one, fill in the blanks. First bit in CW. You should write this first bit in your CW. Second one, you can do it in your textbook only. But first bit, fill in the blanks 1, 2, 3, 4. You should write it in your classwork. Is it clear? Second one, you can do it in your textbook only. Sure. Now shall we read? Yes. Those who did not finish your textbook work, come on, complete it so that you can write it in your class work. Correct the sentences. Correct the sentences. WEVCAN can. SEEC AIRAIN in. BALLON balloon. It is a wrong sentence. We can see air in a balloon or we can see air around us. No, we cannot see. WEVCANNOT cannot. SEEC AIRAIN in. BALLON balloon. We cannot see air in a balloon. GENTLE gentle. WIND wind. IS ease. CALLED cold. A gentle wind is called breeze, not storm. Storm means when wind moves very fast. A gentle wind is called breeze. BREEZE breeze. GENTLE gentle. GENTLE gentle. WIND wind. IS ease. CALLED cold. BREEZE breeze. A gentle wind is called breeze. Once again we read the fill in the blanks. Okay. MOVING moving. AIR air. IS ease. CALLED cold. WIND wind. Moving air is called wind. AIR air. IS ease. NEEDED needed. FOR for. BURNING burning. Air is needed for burning. Air is needed for burning. Put full stop. Air is needed for burning. BURNING burning. GERMS germs. IN THE the. AIR air. MAKE may. THE the. AIR air. UN unfit fit unfit. FOR for. BREATHING breathing. BREATHING breathing. Germs in the air makes the air unfit for breathing. Germs in the air make the air unfit for breathing. Next, PLANTS plants. HELP help. IN KEEPING keeping. KEEPING keeping. THE the. AIR air. CLEAN clean. BY bite. PRODUCING producing. OXYGEN oxygen. OXYGEN oxygen. Plants help in keeping the air clean by producing oxygen. WEVCANNOT cannot. SEEC AIR air. IN in. BALLON balloon. We cannot see air in a balloon. GENTLE gentle. WIND wind. IS ease. CALLED cold. BREEZE breeze. A gentle wind is called breeze. We cannot see air in a balloon. A gentle wind is called breeze. Yes. What is your homework? Now finish it in your textbook. Your homework is first bit 1 to 4 sentences. Fill in the blanks. You should write it in your classwork very neatly. When you are writing, open your mouth, spell each and every word and write. And you should read after writing. After writing, you should read all the sentences three times. And how you are going to write? You should write very neatly, touching the lines. Okay? Fill in the blanks. Underline on the red line. Do your work neatly. Complete your work, children. Thank you.